Step into the realm of culinary elegance with our sleek and sophisticated modular kitchen design. Crafted to exude modernity and functionality, this kitchen is a masterpiece of contemporary aesthetics. With handle-less cabinets, glossy finishes, and seamlessly integrated appliances, it boasts a minimalist allure that is simply irresistible. The absence of handles lends a clean and uncluttered appeal, while the glossy finishes add a touch of luxury and sophistication. Integrated appliances ensure a seamless flow of design, enhancing both the visual appeal and the efficiency of the space. This kitchen design is a testament to the art of minimalism, where every element serves a purpose while contributing to the overall harmony of the space. It's not just a kitchen, it's a statement of style and sophistication, inviting you to indulge in the pleasures of culinary excellence amidst a backdrop of modern elegance. Step into the future of culinary innovation with our cutting-edge modular kitchen design. Engineered with intelligent storage solutions, including pull-out pantry shelves, corner carousels, and adjustable drawer dividers, this kitchen is a game-changer in space optimization and organization. Gone are the days of cluttered countertops and overflowing cabinets. Our smart storage solutions ensure every inch of space is utilized to its fullest potential, allowing you to declutter and streamline your culinary haven effortlessly. The pull-out pantry shelves provide easy access to all your cooking essentials, while corner carousels make the most of those hard-to-reach corners, maximizing storage without sacrificing accessibility. Adjustable drawer dividers adapt to your changing needs, keeping everything from utensils to spices neatly organized and within reach. With our cutting-edge modular kitchen design, you'll not only elevate the aesthetics of your space but also revolutionize the way you work in the kitchen. Its innovation meets practicality, creating a culinary oasis where efficiency and style converge seamlessly. Step into a world of understated elegance with our Scandinavian-inspired modular kitchen design. Characterized by clean lines, natural wood finishes, and an abundance of natural light, this kitchen exudes a sense of calm and serenity. The hallmark of Scandinavian design, clean lines, create a sleek and modern aesthetic, while natural wood finishes add warmth and texture to the space. Combined with bright, airy spaces illuminated by large windows, the result is a kitchen that feels open, inviting, and effortlessly stylish. The use of natural materials and a neutral color palette further enhances the sense of warmth and coziness, creating a welcoming atmosphere that beckons you to linger and savor the simple joys of everyday life. With our Scandinavian-inspired modular kitchen design, you'll not only elevate the aesthetics of your home but also embrace a lifestyle centered around comfort, simplicity, and timeless elegance. It's a space where functionality meets beauty, creating a haven that feels like home from the moment you step inside. Step into the future of culinary innovation with our futuristic modular kitchen design. Embracing cutting-edge technology, this kitchen is a marvel of modern engineering where convenience meets sophistication in perfect harmony. Imagine a world where your every culinary whim is at your fingertips, where touchless faucets respond to your slightest gesture and voice-activated appliances obey your every command. With built-in induction cooktops seamlessly integrated into sleek countertops, cooking becomes a seamless and intuitive experience. Gone are the days of fumbling with knobs and switches. In this kitchen, everything is controlled with a simple touch or a voice command, allowing you to focus on the art of cooking without distractions. But it's not just about convenience, it's also about style. The sleek, minimalist design of this kitchen creates a futuristic ambience that is both sleek and sophisticated, elevating the aesthetics of your home to new heights. With our futuristic modular kitchen design, you'll not only embrace the latest in technology but also redefine the way you interact with your culinary space. It's innovation at its finest, creating a kitchen that is as functional as it is beautiful. Welcome to the future of cooking. Step into the realm of daring design with our modular kitchen concept, where bold pops of color take center stage. Embracing vibrant hues like cobalt blue, emerald green, or fiery red, this kitchen is a celebration of individuality and creativity. Gone are the days of playing it safe with neutral tones. In this kitchen, color becomes the focal point, infusing the space with energy and personality. Whether it's through cabinet fronts, backsplashes, or accent walls, these vibrant hues make a bold statement that commands attention and sparks conversation. But bold doesn't mean overwhelming. The strategic use of color adds depth and dimension to the space, creating visual interest without overpowering the senses. Paired with sleek, minimalist design elements, the result is a kitchen that is both striking and sophisticated. With our modular kitchen design, you have the freedom to express yourself and make a statement that is uniquely yours. It's a bold departure from the ordinary, inviting you to embrace color and creativity in every aspect of your culinary haven. Step into the realm of timeless elegance with our minimalist modular kitchen design. Inspired by the beauty of simplicity, this kitchen embraces a monochromatic color scheme that exudes sophistication and refinement. Sleek white cabinets serve as the foundation, creating a clean and airy ambience that instantly brightens the space. Paired with luxurious marble countertops, the result is a seamless blend of form and function that never goes out of style. Stainless steel appliances add a touch of modernity, infusing the space with a subtle hint of industrial chic. But it's the understated elegance of the monochromatic palette that truly steals the show, creating a sense of harmony and balance that is both calming and inviting. With our minimalist modular kitchen design, less is truly more. It's a testament to the power of simplicity, where every element is carefully curated to create a space that is both timeless and effortlessly chic. Welcome to a culinary haven where style meets substance in perfect harmony. Step into the epitome of modern living with our open-plan modular kitchen design. Breaking down barriers and redefining space, this kitchen seamlessly transitions into a combined living and dining area, creating a fluid and sociable environment that is perfect for entertaining guests. Gone are the days of compartmentalized living. In this kitchen, the boundaries between cooking, dining, and socializing blur effortlessly. The open-plan layout fosters connectivity and flow, allowing conversations to flourish and guests to mingle freely as meals are prepared and enjoyed. But it's not just about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. Sleek, minimalist design elements create a sense of continuity throughout the space, while strategically placed accents add personality and flair. With our open-plan modular kitchen design, you'll not only elevate the way you entertain but also redefine the way you live. It's a space where cooking, dining, and socializing converge seamlessly, creating a dynamic and inviting atmosphere that is sure to impress even the most discerning guests. Welcome to the heart of your home. Step into a tranquil oasis with our modular kitchen design inspired by the beauty of nature. Embracing organic materials such as reclaimed wood and stone countertops, this kitchen invites you to reconnect with the earth in a space that is both serene and sustainable. The warmth of reclaimed wood infuses the space with rustic charm, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere that feels like a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Paired with durable stone countertops, the result is a kitchen that is as functional as it is beautiful, with materials that stand the test of time. But it's the biophilic design elements that truly bring this kitchen to life. Indoor herb gardens and living walls not only add a touch of greenery but also improve air quality and promote a sense of well-being. It's a harmonious blend of form and function, where the beauty of nature is seamlessly integrated into the design. With our nature-inspired modular kitchen design, you'll not only create a space that looks beautiful but also feels rejuvenating and revitalizing. It's a sanctuary where you can nourish your body and soul, surrounded by the timeless beauty of the natural world. Welcome home to the tranquility of nature. Step into the realm of versatility with our customizable modular kitchen design. Built to adapt and evolve with your lifestyle, this kitchen puts the power of customization in your hands, allowing you to rearrange and reconfigure the layout to suit your changing needs and preferences. Gone are the days of being confined by a static kitchen layout. In this space, the possibilities are endless. With modular units that can be easily moved and adjusted, you have the freedom to create a kitchen that works for you, whether you're entertaining guests, preparing a family meal, or simply enjoying a quiet moment alone. But it's not just about flexibility, it's also about functionality. The modular design maximizes space and efficiency, ensuring that every inch is utilized to its fullest potential. From storage solutions to workspace configurations, you have the flexibility to customize every aspect of your kitchen to suit your unique lifestyle. With our customizable modular kitchen design, you'll not only create a space that meets your needs today but also adapts to whatever the future may hold. It's a kitchen that grows with you, evolving to support your ever-changing life. Welcome to the freedom of customization. Step into the realm of industrial chic with our inspired modular kitchen design, where rugged charm meets contemporary elegance. Drawing inspiration from urban lofts and industrial warehouses, this kitchen captivates with its raw yet refined aesthetics. Exposed brick walls add a touch of rustic authenticity, infusing the space with warmth and character. Complemented by sleek stainless steel countertops, the juxtaposition of materials creates a harmonious blend of industrial charm and modern sophistication. Open shelving takes center stage, providing a platform to showcase stylish cookware and utensils as decorative accents. Every piece tells a story, adding personality and flair to the space while maintaining functionality and accessibility. This modular kitchen design is more than just a place to cook, it's a celebration of style and individuality. It invites you to embrace the beauty of imperfection and revel in the allure of industrial chic, creating a culinary sanctuary that is both captivating and inviting.